There was just a avalanche outside. This is the window right here. The snow all came in through the dog door. And Howard, stop biting me. This is how hard the snow is now, because it all just came flying down the hill and decimated shit. Here's the window, and there's the snow.
I'm scared.
Yep, I'm filming it. Is the door opening?
No. Too much pressure. Wow.
It won't open?
I can't believe it. It held. I could do it, but we're never gonna get it closed again.
Oh.
Well, we could just open it and dig it out.
Not until I dig it out. It's gonna take a while, so we should just leave it closed.
Alright. How are you gonna get over there? Yeah, but how are you gonna... I'm scared. I'm scared.
You're scared of what?
The snow there is at least 5 feet deep. Wow, that fucker came flying down. Look at that.
Watch out.
What are you doing with that?
Well, I don't know.
I fucking hate this country. Vermont's such a wonderful place. Guess we proved the global warming theory wrong. 38 inches in the past 12 hours.
And it's still coming down.
And it's still fucking coming down.
Guess what else happened?
What?
It shook all the snow off the roof.
Are you shitting me?
Nope.
Oh, that's what I...
Oh, it came all the way here. No, it didn't come off the roof. It came all the way around. I can't even see your scooter.
Honey, how are you gonna get
The avalanche just came all the way...
I'm planning on using my legs, Maggie.
Come on, Hubbard. Come on. Come on. Hubbard, come. Come on. Honey, help Hubbard.
That car's under here somewhere. Oh, good. More to shovel. That's great.
Holy hell.
I guess I can just walk across my car.
You found it?
He's so cute under there out in the snow. He's so cute. It's so weird because he's like at the top, he's standing up at the top of the very top of the door in the back. He's starting to dig out. Drew. Honey, what if it slides again? What if it slides again?
I'll get pushed up against the house.
He said I'll get pushed up against the house. Oh no, look. Alright, we're okay.
Stupid avalanches, they don't do it twice in a row.
I hate Vermont. So, I'm at my mom's house right now. It's Valentine's Day, and we've gotten about 38 inches of snow in the past 12 hours. And, well, a big fucking avalanche just came flying down the hill. Buried the fucking cars. Buried the back end of the house. There's a couple trees over there stuck to the car. Yeah. I love Vermont. My bus has been canceled. I was supposed to be on a bus heading south. And, that ain't happening. So now, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. But, hi to everybody on LOL Furries. Sorry. Hopefully I'll be able to get on a bus to FWA tomorrow. Hopefully, if this shit stops. It's still snowing, but it's stopped. It's laid off quite a bit. The only problem is, like I said, everything's under nearly 40 inches of snow right now. The amount of snowfall that's fallen so far is like up to my balls. So we're not really going anywhere. Glad I'm not in the fucking garage anymore. Holy shit. Welcome to Vermont. So we're trying to dig out right now. Drew's out back.
Drew's out back.
Digging.
I'm making meatloaf.
We're having meatloaf for dinner.
Mashed potatoes.
Iced tea is good. This is going on the internet.
Hi, Brenny.
Tell them that I'm going to put this on YouTube.
Okay.
Holy crap.
Did you film the cars?
Yeah. Don't you love Vermont?
Yes. Whose camera's that?
Huh? It's yours?
Oh. We're snowed in. It's really bad. We've got 3 feet of snow.
40 inches actually.
We don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. But we're having meatloaf. Meatloaf. And avalanches are good. Here's my drink.
You're high as a kite.
Happy avalanche! No.
Want to unlock it?
Huh?
Want to unlock it, please?
Is it locked now?
No. Oh, it cracked this.
It did?
I can't believe, remember we were saying you could kick this door in?
Yeah.
No problem?
Yeah.
It held. Would have been a lot more snow in the kitchen if it hadn't.
Oh my god. Imagine all, oh my god.
Would have gone right into the living room.
This is where the hill came down.
This is where the hill came down.
Avalanche.
Blew open the window in that room.
It smashed out the window?
Probably full of snow.
Damn.
I couldn't bear to look.
In the garage or in that room?
Well, the garage too, I'm sure.
Hubbard, you don't know how to respond to this, do you?
I don't care about the garage.
All my bottles are in there. They're gonna get
It's
snow
just
on them. Oh, my bottles are okay. Damn, that sucks.
This too will melt.
Holy crap.
And we know what those people in Oswego feel like.
How do the people next door, how are they
They
faring?
went halfway across their driveway. It didn't hit their building.
Oh, it didn't?
But they got, 6 feet of snow in their driveway.
This is what? This is about 6 feet of snow right here?
Well, right, that's 5 feet right there. Over there, it's way more. That's like 8 feet.